All right, so here's the deal. I'm putting my instincts to the test today. Deepfakes, you've heard of them, right? Those eerily realistic videos or voices that look and sound so real until they're not. They used to be kind of niche and gimmicky. Now, they're everywhere. Politicians saying things they never said, celebrities promoting products they've never heard of, your cousin Greg sending you a video of himself breakdancing when you know full well he can't even do a cartwheel. Pause, chuckle. So I thought, how good am I at spotting a deepfake? Can you actually when something's off? I grabbed a handful of clips, some real, some AI generated, and ran them through a few basic tools to see if I could sniff out the fakes. But first, let's talk about why this even matters. Deepfakes aren't just internet pranks. They're a big deal. They're already being used to spread misinformation, fuel conspiracy theories, and even ruin people's reputations. Imagine a fake video of a world leader saying something provocative, and it could literally cause chaos. The tech behind it is wild. It's called a GAN, a generative adversarial network. It's basically two AI systems duking it out. One creates fake content, the other tries to detect it. The more they spar, the better the faker gets at fooling everyone, including us. And here's the scary part. These fakes are getting better every single day. If I showed you a deepfake from 2019 and one from last week, you'd notice the difference instantly. The new ones, they're scary good. But don't panic just yet. There are ways to fight back. There are AI tools that analyze frame-by-frame inconsistencies, things like blinking patterns, lighting mismatches, or even weird reflections in the eyes. Some videos get tripped up with shadows or unnatural lip movement. Others might have a strange audio delay that just doesn't sit right. And I tried using a couple of these tools, some browser-based, some open source, and let me tell you, having tech on your side really helps. I missed a few, sure, but so did the software. That's the game now. It's human intuition plus machine precision. What really struck me, though, is how easy it is to get fooled when you're not looking closely. You scroll past a video, react to it, maybe even share it, and boom, you're part of the problem. So here's my challenge to you. Next time you come across a video that seems a little too perfect or a little too outrageous, pause. Look for the glitches, use a detection tool, ask yourself, could this be fake? Because chances are, if it be, someone tried to make it. This tech isn't going away. If anything, it's going to get more sophisticated. That means have to get as smarter too. If you want to try this challenge yourself, I've dropped a few links to detection tools below. Play around with them, see if you can spot the fakes, and let me know in the comments how good are at telling what's real. And hey, if you found this helpful, check out my other videos on misinformation, AI, and staying safe in the digital world. Let's keep this conversation going, because in the age of deepfakes, the truth doesn't always speak for itself. Catch you in the next one.